All right, we are live. We're going to make today a very nice, fun, simple, easy lesson. Um, we don't have a lot to. We're on the last week of this particular program with using centiliters and volume and everything like that. So as we wrap up this whole series, I'm really excited, and I've been having a lot of fun with Kira getting this all knocked out. So we're going to move into some. We're going to warm up for this week, shake the weekend off of us, and do a recipe conversion, and then we'll hop straight into some more greater than less than comparisons. Okay? Awesome. Let's hop in. I'll make sure that Kira has screen control abilities. Yep, go ahead and try it out. Excellent. That's perfect. Okay, so what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to show everyone we have a recipe we'll be making today. And I found this and thought it looked really cool, so I wanted to try to. It's like since we're going into the summer season, I wanted us to try out this drink. I call it Taste the Rainbow. And it's just a multicolored drink. It's got orange juice and lemonade in it and all that good stuff. So we're going to give a shot converting these centiliters into tablespoons. This is what the recipe gave us. I don't have centiliters, so I need your help with converting this so I can make this at the summer cookout. Perfect. We're going to start out with our 2 centiliters of grenadine syrup. I don't know what that is, but we'll figure it out. Let's hop over here. Start out with 2 centiliters, yeah. How will we convert that? Excellent. Okay, spot on. I'm gonna need 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon of grenadine syrup. Got it. I know that's the red stuff here at the bottom. It's the red syrup. I just don't know what it's made out of. All right. Next up on the ingredients list is our orange juice, which is the next layer. All right. So, yep, 13 centiliters. Ooh, that's a doozy. All right. Love the confidence. Spot on. Excellent. All right. I'm glad you made sure to remember to convert this into US customary units instead of leaving it as a scintillator. So great job. We can't. Next up. Yeah, and get rid of that too. I dropped it in there by accident. Okay. I like that. Mm. You tell me. Do we have an ounce cup? Is that what you mean? Oh, in this case, yes, we have an ounce. Let me help you out. Let's, there we go. 1 ounce, 1 tablespoon, and 1 teaspoon. Excellent. Now we're gonna leave this here because we'll see over here in our recipe. We're blanking on the ice cubes. All right. Yep. All right. Give me 1 second while I just double check your answer, just to make sure that everything's looking good. Excuse me. I think we're missing something. Hold up. Let's mark out what we know we already have. So we know we have 13 centiliters. That's what you just placed. So go ahead and encircle 13 centiliters. Try again. Try to click it again. At 13, what is a teaspoon of centiliter? Mm-hmm. The last one was 2 centiliters. You can just drop those in the ounces beaker. Don't worry about clear carrying right now. Yep. So so how many centiliters do we have in total? 20 centiliters. Perfect. So even if we were to come over here to our recipe and add these up, 2 centiliters plus 13, 15 plus 5 is 20. So we know for sure that we have the proper volume in here right now. Okay? Cool. Exactly. I think that's a great idea. I understand. Perfect. I see what happened. I gotta because this is the same answer you got before and it was 100% correct. This was an error on my part. I misread the 5 ounces for 6 ounces. So I thought you were missing an ounce, but you weren't. I just misread it. So way to go. Way to go, G. Yeah. Um okay, cool. So now we can get back to the original uh crux of this puzzle. If our cup has 8 ounces in it that we're going to be putting this drink inside of, right? If this is 1 cup, how much space is left for ice? I think ounces would be good. Spot on. Great job. That is correct, correct, correct. Let's come back over here and put that into our recipe. Well, we can put 1 1/3 ounce of ice cubes. All right, this is optional. We did. We stumbled a little bit, but it's okay. That's why we had this, so we could shake the weekend off of us. All right. You ready for? Say what? Mm-hmm. Exactly. So let's knock out a couple comparisons real quick, and then we will dismiss for today. All right. Sweet. So, again, like last week, I want you to prioritize placing the milliliters to the left and give me which would be greater, or if this inequality is true. Okay. So we have 22 centiliters to 185 milliliters. All right. So is this true? Is 185 milliliters less than 22 centiliters? Okay. Excellent. Way to jump ahead and find that difference too. Great job. All right. Let's get this cleared. Move on to the next one. Now we've got 160 milliliters. Is 160 milliliters greater than 6 2/3 ounces? You are 50-50. You are correct. And we need to double back for a second. You said that the difference is 1 2/3 ounces. I don't agree. Here, let me write this out. If we have 5 1/3 of an ounce plus 1 2/3 of an ounce, how many ounces do we have in total? Very good. What value are we trying to find? Got it. So if we add 1 2/3 of an ounce to this 160 milliliters, we're not going to be getting 6 2/3 ounces. Are you seeing that? Remember, okay, so we know for sure that this is not true. 160 milliliters is less than 6 2/3 ounces, right? We agree on that? Sweet. Now we need to figure out, okay, then what's the difference? What's the difference between 160 milliliters and 6 2/3 ounces? Okay. We know that 160 milliliters is 5 ounces and 1 centiliter, which is 5 1/3 ounces right here. Are we agreed? Okay, now what we have to do is figure out what else do we need to add to this to make it 6 2/3 ounces. All right. Very good. And we'll do that visually real quick. So this is our 160 milliliters in the play space. To make it 6 ounces, okay, we see 5 over here. Let's drop this over and make it 6. So we'll write down 1 just to keep track. And then we know that we need 2/3 of an ounce or 2 centiliters. We only see 1 right now. So we'll drag out another 1 into the play space to give us another 1/3 of an ounce. Exactly. That was it. Really minor. Again, like you already gotten this right and most everything else. We just dropped in an extra 1/3 by accident. Right. All right. Understanding's good. Any questions? We can do one more? Excellent. Let's do one more. Okay. Let's do. Let me think a second. Let's do 175 milliliters. is 175 milliliters greater than 5/8 of a cup? That's correct. Yeah, you got it. Spot on. Any questions? Excellent, excellent, excellent. Well, again, you did a great job today, Kira. That was pretty good. We had a stumble here or there, but we made it through it, and that's what's important. It's Monday. It's Monday. All right, but we've got exciting rest of the week ahead of us. We'll go ahead and make sure to have some more fun with it. And if you don't have any questions, then we'll say goodbye to the family. Thank you all very much for joining us. And yep. See you next time. Happy learning.